We're at 919 East DeSoto. This is in East Hill in Pensacola, just north of Cervantes. We're entering into our front door here. To our right, we have our great room. This is an older home, so we do have some of the original characteristics and charm here. Now to the left, we have our bedrooms. So we'll go left first. This is bedroom number 1. Sits on the front side of the home. Nice good sized closet. Tile flooring runs throughout the entire home. Coming back out now. Walking a little bit further in, here is bedroom number 2. So this is guest bedroom again. Very good sized room, tile flooring again. Nice tall ceilings in the entire home, feels very open. Next up, we have guest bathroom number 1. So this is remodeled. We have a double sink vanity and then our commode. And then we do have a walk-in shower behind our door as well. Next up, we have our third and final bedroom. This would be the master. This sits on the back side of the home. Good sized closet in here as well. And then we do have the attached ensuite. So here is that bathroom space. And turning around here. Now we'll take you to the main living quarters. So you can see directly in front of us is our front door. We're going to take a left through the great room. And we'll come to our formal dining area. You'll notice the double-sided fireplace accent. It's not able to be used as a fireplace now, but it is a great, charming feature, something not often found in homes nowadays. So here is that again. And then here is that dining room. Next, we have our kitchen. We have this beautiful granite counters, stainless appliances, plenty of cabinet space, beautiful backsplash. And then we have our back door and our laundry room here. Indoor laundry room is great. Don't normally find it in this area. Turning around so you can see the kitchen again. Now we'll take you into the backyard. Backyard is fully enclosed. So we have nice, good sized yard here. Fire pit already set up and ready. And we'll turn you around and show you the back side of the home. Again, this is 919 East DeSoto, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.